The Niagara Glen is a unique area of beauty, and it is a designated nature reserve, and it is something we are proud to share with the world, and we must do that in a responsible way. So we are very pleased with the efforts of our staff, who in tandem with our Friends of the Niagara Glen group, and our Friends of the Niagara Glen group are here today. They have been working hard to promote proper land stewardship, exciting educational experiences, and sustainable outdoor recreation practices all along the Glen Reserve.